Welcome to the bathroom. All right. Welcome back to White House Farm. If you're on a well like me, you may have issues like this, and this will solve your problems. This is an internal float, long-lasting fill valve. And the issue we have going on, like we have in the past, is dry well. And what happens is, let me take the top off here, show you. This type of float right here, it's an external and it gets clogged up with stuff, and you can see sediment and all that stuff in here, calcium, you get a lot of buildup. I replaced the flapper valve hoping that would help, but I noticed that it's our float right here and it ends up sticking because all the crud gets down in between in here, and it's not smooth anymore. So this is supposed to solve the problem. And this has an internal float, so you don't have to worry about it, stuff getting in there and sticking and everything. So this will be a quick little video. First thing you want to do is turn off your water. We got a towel down here because we're going to go ahead and unhook it here. And it's as simple as putting in the new one. So let's go ahead and unhook this. And like I said, just make sure your water's off. You're going to have some water come down from the residual. You press your flush button to get all the water out, but you still have some left in there. So we're going to have a little bit of water. Yep. Now, you need to take off this plastic retainer right here. There we go. And now that's off. So now we should be able to pull this one right up out of here. And there goes the extra water that I was telling you about, which is why you need to have your towels ready. Put down another one here. All right. And this comes right up out of here. And there's the old one. And you can see the stuff in there, and that just, it causes it to stick down and through here. All right. So now we can open up our new one here. And it comes with new gaskets and all that stuff. Alright, so it comes with new tubing, and this is gonna face this way. So we'll go ahead and slip this in. Just like that. And you may need to cut this. So we're going to go ahead and take this and twist counterclockwise. And that's how you extend it. And we're going to want to get it 1/2 inch below here. You can see water level mark right there. So we're going to put this in. That's going to go down the hole. And we're going to put our plastic clip on here, beveled side up. It even says this side up, so it's going to face just like that. And we're going to connect that to here. And you're going to put it on hand tight only. Alright, so that's on there hand tight. Now we can go ahead and connect our water up to it. Alright, so we got our water connected now. And you can see this sticks up above the tank. So we're going to twist and move it down. And you'll be able to adjust this to where it fits in your tank. So let's go ahead and finish putting our hose on here. That just slips over your pipe there, just like that. And then we're going to attach it here. Now you can cut it to make it a smaller size. And we're actually going to bring this down a little bit. And now we can go ahead and turn the water on and see how this does. Check for leaks. See it filling. You hear it. And just check the bottom. Make sure there's no leaks. And this right here is your refill adjuster, and you would turn it clockwise for more water, and then counterclockwise for less water. See, that's like full blast, and that's like dribbling out. So we need to adjust this because we're too high still and the water's just going down. So we'll turn our water off. And once again, just turn that push down and then lock it in place. And we'll turn our water back on. There we go. So that's our level right there. And on the sides, that's your overflow. So it's not just pouring water down in there. And that was the issue, is that the water, when the float would stick, water would just keep flowing and flowing and flowing, and we'd get like a dry well. So pretty simple install. And now you can flush. And it'll fill back up here. So now we don't need to worry about water just pouring down the drain. Literally. Alright folks, so very simple, and it'll prevent you from getting a dry well, and these are supposed to work really good. So, alright, I'll leave a link in the description if you're looking to pick up one, if you have a well like me, or if you just want to try something new with your toilet, hey, why not? So once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
Alright, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.